Yeah.
But because that gift, it's very important in your life. You don't just receive it. It is because you play with the talent that God has given you. Now, I'm asking you today to go and change your ways. If you can't change now, today I'm asking you. Tsamaya uye go fetoga. I'm not forcing you. If you don't want to, I'm not forcing you. But all I'm saying is, you can't have these four things. Remember last week you know that hope for one day Mujimu will bless me. Again, one day Mujimu will bless me. That's hope. But today you have this peace. How do you have inner peace? How do you have inner peace? If you say again, but because you see, that you know what you must do? And then back door. I'm not going to come. The first people church council. How will you church council? Mare, dula mo Jerusalem. Kale amogela neo ya moya obithe. Ukuze nyongele umoya oyingcwe. The spiritual goals. Yes. The spiritual goals. I'm going to give it to you. It's 5 of them. Number 1, it says slow down and focus on Christ. Slow down and focus on Christ. Okay. Number 2, strengthen your prayer life. How do you strengthen your prayer life? By praying every day, sir. By praying every day. Again, then you strengthen your prayer life. third one, grow in gratitude and generosity. Grow in gratitude and generosity. Now you listen. Number 4, reflect on God's promises.
Right.
Reflect on God's promises. The last one, prepare your heart for a fresh encounter with Jesus. Prepare your heart for a fresh encounter with Jesus. If you can keep all this, I'm telling you now today. But Bishop my life has changed because I have learned ways of doing things better. Oh, my life is not changing because whatever he said, it doesn't work for me. Remember, that's between you and God. Did you hear the last one? It is between you and not me. Nobody's until Colorado. A man can show love when we are talking about. Nobody's on the time is going about. Go out there, Haman. Go out there, Haman, and ask people to come in. So that they can witness the love that you have inside this church. Amen. Amen.